If you have been doing research on the World Wide Web on how to do a variance chart that looks something like this, well, this is how I do it. Let me give you a brief introduction about my dataset table here. Column A is a budgeted value, column B is the actual value, and column C is the difference value between budget and actual. We'll be doing the variance chart based on this column C itself. Column D will show the negative variance and column E will show the positive variance. So let's start with the negative variance. We're going to say equal if your C2 is less than 0, only then you will start to draw the bar chart using the REPT function like this. And the first argument of REPT function would be the pipe itself, and the second argument would be the C2. But as you know, C2 can be negative, so and then the argument, the second argument cannot accept a negative value. So we're gonna have to use a function called ABS, which changes the number from negative to positive as in absolute value. We're going to close it twice like this to close the REPT function. But if C2 is greater than 0, we're just going to show as blank and close parenthesis and hit enter here. So this one, we're going to align it to the right so that it will be all aligned to the center of this line here. And then since this is negative variance, we're going to change this color to red. And also we're going to have to change this font to Stencil so that it looks like a bar chart, not like a pipe itself. Let's move on to the positive variance. We're going to take the negative variance formula and apply to the positive variance like this. But the only difference here would be we are looking to draw the bar chart only if your C2 is greater than 0 like this. Just hit enter here. So over here, we know that this is a positive variance. We're going to change the color to blue or something different, and then the font type will be stencils like this. So once that's done, all you have to do now is to double click this fill handler here to apply the cell format and the formula to the rest of the rows, and you do the same thing for the positive variance.